Alright, what's up guys? So today I just got back from the post office, had to mail off some payments for bills, and now I going back to the garage to finish up this little paint project that I have. And yeah, hopefully everything goes as planned as far as the way I want it to look. I'm not looking for a complete complete perfection. I just want it to look as good as possible, half decent, like I like to say, a 10-footer, but we'll see how it goes. Go for it. Yeah, so you always got to be courteous with people, and yeah, don't mess with people because you don't know what they're packing, and you don't know what their day is like. It could be a bad day. I've acted like, an ass before whenever I had a bad day, and clearly you don't mean it, but you take it out on others, and that's just how things go in society. But people learn the hard way, unfortunately. So yeah, so I gotta go south. I'm going west right now to the freeway, just because I want to do a pull, and whenever I drive this thing I just want to try and enjoy it as much as possible. But yeah, so I kind of like this little POV. It kind of makes me think better, talk better, and everything. It's not like a live stream, so if I stutter or say something cringy, I can't really edit it, but this is pretty cool because I could always edit this and chop parts and everything, but at the same time this is as real as it gets as far as a video, like compared to like on a tripod where I'm just trying to do something. This is just IRL, basically in real life, but more of a obviously a video format. But yeah, so oops, forgot, can't play music. All that copyright BS, which is is a good idea, but kind of sucks. Now I'm stuck behind the slowest vehicle ever. Now he wants to speed up. That's how it always works. Once you pass them, they floor it. Come on, guy. Where is this guy going? Crazy. Taking 2 lanes, going 10 miles per hour. Nice truck, but come on, Grandpa. So yeah, so this is my ghetto mount for my camera. It's all like scotch tape, electrical tape, masking taped up. Because of the adhesive, it got weak and it started falling in the sun, like under high heat. But yeah, alright, so I'm gonna chop it right here, and then I'm going to turn it on when I enter the freeway. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, people look at you different when you have the GoPro. It's crazy. I get a lot of people looking at me. And that's it. The fun is over. Just like that. The best 20 seconds. That's what this car does. 60, by the way. Just kidding.